TM Smith Tool manufactures a wide range of radial floating tool holder options for tapping and reaming applications. Quick change and ER collet style holders are available with CAT, BT, HSK, ACME, Straight, Morse, or Jacobs taper. Radial floating holders are often used to compensate for misalignment between the cutting tool and workpiece. For instance, when tapping a hole that may vary slightly in location, this is often the case when tapping an as-cast hole. They can also be used for reaming. The radial float allows the reamer to easily follow an existing hole. When reaming, it is recommended that the cutting tool have a lead and the hole have a chamfer to help guide the tool to the desired location. Some applications may require the centering pressure of the holder to be adjusted. Smaller cutting tool sizes may require the centering pressure to be lightened, while large cutting tools may require the centering pressure to be increased. The greater the centering pressure, the harder it becomes to move the holder off-center. It is important to remember adjusting the centering pressure does not adjust the amount the holder will float off-center. You will first need to determine the correct hex wrench size for the series holder being adjusted. Insert the proper size hex wrench into the access hole located in the bottom of the tap adapter receiver or ER collet pocket and engage the wrench into the adjusting screw. Rotate the screw clockwise until it will no longer turn. The adjustment screw is now at the bottom of the float mechanism and there should be little to no centering pressure. Begin rotating the wrench counterclockwise to draw the adjustment screw up and increase the centering pressure. By always starting with the screw at the bottom of the float mechanism, you can count the number of revolutions used to set the correct centering pressure for a specific application. Remove the wrench to test the centering pressure and be sure to install a tap adapter if you are adjusting a quick change holder before confirming the centering pressure adjustment. Please be aware it is possible to draw the screw to the top of the float mechanism, putting the holder into a rigid state. This is not recommended as it can cause the internal spring to bind. This information can be found on our website at tmsmith.com under the Support tab. If you have any questions about radial floating tool holders or other TM Smith products, please contact us at 800-521-4894 or customer service at tmsmith.com.